You don't have to be an expert on state licensing in order to bid and buy at Copart. We make it easy for you. As the premier online auto auction destination for members around the world, we strive to make sure you have the right information before entering an auction. Knowing your state's licensing laws is a crucial part of the buying process. Some states restrict who can bid on wholesale and salvage cars, while others welcome all types of buyers. For example, if you wanted to purchase a vehicle located in Maine, you need either a business license in order to bid or the assistance of a broker. You can view each state's licensing laws on our Help with Licensing page. Simply click the state to view the licensing requirements. If you are eligible to bid, you can jump right into the auctions. Upload your documents through the My Account drop-down menu. Then select Upload Documents. If your state doesn't let you bid on vehicles and you don't have a business license, don't worry. You can still bid by using a third-party broker. You can see a list of recommended brokers under the Services tab in the navigation bar. Visit Copart.com/licensing to learn more about licensing requirements in each state. Then you'll be ready to start bidding.